Hello guys, this video is sponsored by Pioneer Powersports. We're located in Grand Prairie, Texas. Today we have two street legal and off-road bikes, Hawk 250 and a Magician 250. Both of them are on-road and off-road. We're located in Grand Prairie, Texas, so we do all the registration and everything. So if you come to the store and want to get this bike, we get this all street legal process from here. So you don't have to worry about getting it street legal by yourself. Let me go ahead and give you guys more details on the Hawk 250. This one actually has more feels of an off-road bike than the Magician 250. You can see the tire. This one, it has a more of a street like off-road tire comparing to the Magician one. This one is more of a street tire, so you'll be better off off-road on the Hawk 250. And this one actually got a little bit higher suspension than the Magician too. So here, this one, that's how it's gonna look from the front view. Here's your high beam and low beam, your headlights, high beam, low beam, your blinkers right here. It has a horn, your speedometer, and the key. This one actually has a security protection that you can close it from here so no one can put a duplicate keys in your keyhole. And with this right here, you just can unlock the hole. Here, you just unlock it and put your key in there. Here it has a kill switch, it has electric start, and it has a backup kickstart too. So let's say you're in a ranch and your battery runs out, you can always use it with the kickstart and start back it right away. So blinkers in the back, it has tail lights, hydraulic disc brake in the front. It has a hydraulic disc brake in the front and back both. This one, it has a bolt tensioner. You can loosen up the chain, tie it up. This right here is your back brake, and right here for the oil, it gives you a level right here, and it has a dipstick too. If you look closely at the bottom, there will be this one right here. This is where you drain the oil from. It's 17 millimeter. You have to drain the oil first and put the oil, it's 10W40 synthetic, back from here. You just open this up and just fill up the oil till the grooves right here, and just put it back in and tighten it up. Yeah, this is a carburetor, and this right here is idle for RPM to make it higher and lower. So let's say if it's cold out there and you haven't rode your bike for a month or so, when you first turn on your bike, make sure you choke it up, and then you have to idle it up a little bit just to keep it warm. And once you warmed up and up, you can always bring it back to the same place. This is a spark plug right here, and it's a 250cc motor, so top speed you can do about 65-70 miles around here. And this one actually comes in a lot of different colors: black, blue, red. So we keep them, all of them, on the stock every time. So whenever you guys need a bike, you can just give us a call. Our store number is 682-999-9493. So whenever you guys want one, you can give us a call, so we can have your color ready. We do repair and all that kind of stuff. We carry all the parts. If you want to just go to our website, you can always order the parts from there too. Alright, so that's more of a review for a Hawk. So let's get back to Magician 250. Here, like I already mentioned before, this one, it has more of a street tire. This is the same as the Hawk. You got hydraulic front and back brake. It has a headlights, blinkers. This is actually how it looks in the front. High beam and low beam, your headlights, blinkers, horn. This one actually, the key is just the key, so you don't have security protection for duplicate keys. Your electric start and your kill switch right here. This one has a different mirror comparing to the Hawk, and this one actually got a kickstart too for a backup. And this one is a different tensioner than the Hawk, so that's another difference with them. and both of them is, like I said, off-road and on-road. You get more of a feel of off-road on the Hawk, but both of them goes around the same speed, and this has the same motor. And the oil change is similar on the Magician as the Hawk. If you look in your right side of the bike, this is where you put your oil in, and 17mm at the bottom where you drain the oil from. So the only things that you guys need to be careful when you're buying these bikes is make sure there's already oil on it. Don't ride it without the oil. And once you ride it, if it's a brand new bike, ride it for about an hour or two and do your first oil change, so that way you get to a breaking point easy. And once you do it for the first time, we recommend 2 to 3 months do your oil change. And it's 10W40 synthetic. It takes less than a quart, so, and it's really easy to do it yourself, like I showed you guys already. So it's easier to do your oil change. You can do it at your house. Just buy oil from O'Reilly's Auto Zones. It's not gonna cost you that much of a money, so just buy your oil, change it. And on these, like with the vibration and being off-road bike too, when you hit the bumps and with the vibration, the bolts might be coming loose. So keep an eye on the bolts. If you see anything coming loose, make sure you keep everything tight. And if you have any questions, you guys can always give us a call in our store number up there. And whenever you need one, you can always come to us so we can get you a color ready. We carry a 4-wheeler, go-karts, dirt bikes, sports bikes, UTVs, and all that kind of stuff. So whatever you guys need, you need it for kids, you need it for you can always come to us. We get them. So guys, whenever you're ready, give us a call. This is our store. Here, this is the street view of our store. We got a lot of stuff hanging out there. We're located in Pioneer, like I said, in Grand Prairie. We're here by Dallas, and we can ship it all around the US. So wherever you guys from, you can just give us a call so we can process your shipping today. And we do finance, we do layaways. You can walk out with this bike for $100 if you get approved for the financing. So whenever you're ready, just give us a call. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box. We'll be here to help you guys out. Alright, thank you for the watching video, guys. You guys have a good one.